Hello, welcome to the Tabs and Icons Consulting Excel video series. In this video, I'm going to let us see how we can use different approaches to extract unique items from a selected data range. Now, there are three approaches I'm going to apply. The first one is using the unique function. Now, if you don't have Microsoft 365, you won't have that function. It's a function available only to subscribers of Microsoft 365. The second approach I'm going to use is the advanced filter method, while the third approach is remove duplicate command, which is available in the data tools group of the data tab. Now let's look at our data. Now we have this data of sales by week, by month, by product. Now the way this data appear here, you won't know how many products that this store is selling, or how many weeks they've sold, or even how many salesperson. So we're going to look at extracting the product. So we know in this particular store, there are 3 products, there are 4 products, or 5 products. And the first approach you're going to use is the unique function. So if you have Microsoft 365, you will have this handy. So I'm going to type equal to unique. Now the unique function says it returns a unique value from a range or an array. So I open my bracket by taking the tab, and I go to the product, highlight the whole of that range. Now that's all you've got to do. The other arguments here by column, exactly, once, they are all non-mandatory argument. They are optional argument. The only mandatory argument here is the array, which I have highlighted. So all I need is just to hit my enter key, and that's done. So you can see that is telling me here that I have only 4 products. That's how to extract unique items using the unique value. Now, if you don't have Microsoft 365, then you can actually fall on the advanced filter. How does it work? You click on the data tab. Now you see the group called sort and filter. You see here advanced. Click on that advanced, and it will show you the advanced filter menu. Now the next thing you're going to do is click on the list range. Which range do you intend to get your unique values from? So I'm selecting the product range. And when I select the product range, it's going to ask me the criteria. In this case, they are the same, so I don't want to bother about that. I come here and select copy to another range. That means I'm taking this and placing the unique values in another range. So I select this number here. Once I select this box, you'll notice that the copy to section will be open up for me to select the required position. So I've selected this. And down here, I'm going to select unique records only. So I select unique records only, and I look for where I intend to place that value. I'm going to place it here. So all I need is hit my enter key. I take OK, and that's all. So you can see, using both approaches, I have arrived at the same thing. Now the third approach is the common one, which is remove duplicate values. Now in that case, what I'm going to do is to copy the whole of this one, bring it to this place, and within this, I'm going to click the data tab, come under the data tools group, and up here you will see the remove duplicate icon. I click on that, and it's going to tell me expand selection, or I want to continue. I click continue with the selection, remove duplicate. It will bring me here. All I need to do now is to click OK, and that's all. So you can see the 3 approaches I've used yield the same result. So when you're working with your data, you can actually apply anyone that is readily handy by the version you are using. I'm using Microsoft 365, so I have the 3 approaches available. If you are using lesser version, you will not have the unique function. So that's how to extract unique information from your selected data range. Thank you very much for listening. In other videos, we're going to see much more of what Excel can do. Bye-bye.